Hello everyone, welcome back. How to read market structure, the high, the lows, and the trends. That is what I am talking to you about in this video. Market structure is one of the most important concepts in technical analysis and price action trading. It forms the foundation upon which all other trading strategies are built, including break and retest setups, liquidity hunting, trend continuation strategies, and reversal patterns. Simply put, market structure tells us what the market is doing, where it is heading, and where we should position ourselves to take advantage of the next probable move. Some people have said I should be showing them the chart, but I try to do that in some of the videos, and I prefer to explain using my mouth because this is an advanced form of forex trading. So when I tell you something, you can look at it and go to the chart and see what I'm saying. So understanding market structure gives traders the ability to read the language of price. Once you can interpret highs, you can interpret lows, you can interpret trends and transitions from one structure to another, you gain a significant edge in forecasting market direction. What then is market structure? Market structure refers to the identifiable sequence of swing highs and swing lows that price forms over time. There is a particular lady, they call her ICT lady or something like that. She trades what is called the ICT strategy. And then she's on Telegram. They call her ICT Queen. I followed her for some time, and then she uses market structure. This just is market structure. She will just draw the line that, okay, it has tested this resistance, is coming to this place, and exactly the way she draws it, that is what is going to happen. And that is why I want you to take what I'm saying seriously so that you can learn. So again, I want to define what market structure is. What is market structure? Market structure refers to the identifiable sequence of swing highs and swing lows that price forms over time. These movements are not random. They reflect the ongoing battle between buyers and sellers in the forex market. Market structure answers three basic trading questions. Number one, is the market trending upward? It answers the second question, is the market trending downward? Then it answers the third question, is the market moving sideways? That means, is the market ranging? By analyzing the highs and lows that price creates, traders can classify the market condition and make informed trading decisions. Number one thing we are going to look at now is understanding highs and lows. That is the swing points. Before reading trends, we must understand the concepts that form them. Swing highs and swing lows. In the case of swing high, a swing high is a peak formed when price moves up. It is a peak formed when price reaches a temporary high point, then reverses downward. Then we have swing low. A swing low is a bottom formed when price moves down. It reaches a temporary low point, then reverses upward. These swing points are the building blocks of market structure. When connected and analyzed, they reveal whether the market is bullish, bearish, or neutral. Market structure, number two, market structure in an uptrend. A market that is in an uptrend, when price consistently creates higher highs, that is capital H, capital H. Each new swing high is higher than the previous one. So the high of this one is here, then it moves to another high, then moves to another high, like that. So that is higher high. Then we have higher lows. In the case of higher lows, each new swing is low. Each new swing low is higher than the previous low. This pattern shows buyers are in control. Demand exceeds supply, and then price is likely to continue rising unless structure breaks. How to identify an uptrend? Look for a sequence of rising swing highs, a sequence of rising swing lows, break of previous structure highs, and then pull back that respect previous lows. This is how to identify an uptrend. Now, what is the trading implication? In an uptrend, traders typically look for buy entries at higher lows. Then they avoid selling against the trend. then they trade in the direction of strength. Now, let's talk about market structure in a downtrend. You know, we have talked about market structure in an uptrend. Now, we want to talk about the market structure in a downtrend. A market is in a downtrend when price consistently creates lower lows. Each new swing low is lower than the previous one. That means it's going down, it's going down. Then we have lower highs. Each new swing high is lower than the previous one. So even the highs are going down, they are reducing. This pattern shows sellers are in control. Supply exceeds demand. Then price is likely to continue falling unless structure breaks. How to identify a downtrend? You look for a sequence of falling swing lows, then a sequence of falling swing highs. Then you break a previous structure lows, then pull back that respects previous highs. What is the trading implication of what I just explained? In a downtrend, traders typically look for sell entries at lower highs. So in a downtrend, don't look for a buy entry. You look for sell entries. Then avoid buying prematurely. Some traders go ahead, they want to buy and they want to start buying because they know when it has gone down, it will eventually sell. But you have to wait for it to really go down and show you sign that it is reversing before you start buying. So avoid buying prematurely in a downtrend. Then I'll follow the trend until a structural break occurs. Number 4 thing I want to look at under this is the market structure in a range or sideways market. A market is ranging when price moves horizontally between a clear resistance level, top of the range, a clear support level, bottom of the range. So the price moves up and then it comes down and then it's going up and down. It doesn't pass the downside it has created, it doesn't pass the upside it has created. So that is what we refer to as a ranging market or sideways market. Now, what are the characteristics of a range? Highs and lows are relatively equals. No clear trend direction. Buyers and sellers are in equilibrium. This in microbiology happens in the stationary phase of microbial growth or bacterial growth, where the rate of reproduction is equal to the rate of cell death. So 50% is being reproduced, 50% are dying. So what happens is that the cell becomes equilibrium and then the stationary phase is achieved until we get to the death phase. Now, what are the trading implications of a ranging market? In a range, traders buy near support, then they sell near resistance. Avoid trading in the middle. Ranges often precede major breakouts and new trends. When a ranges occur, when you look at the Bollinger Band it closes up. It is not expanded. It is closing up and it's waiting for a breakout. So all these things you can use even the Bollinger Band to check whether you're in a range. So the Bollinger Band is in a range, it will close up. And then the next thing is a breakout that you're going to see. So number 5 thing we want to look at is market structure breaks, shift in trend direction. Market structure is not permanent. At some point, trends weaken and reverse. To identify these changes, traders watch out for breaks of structure, that is BOS, and changes of character, that is CHOCH. Now, how does a break of structure take place? A break of structure happens when price breaks a key swing level in the direction of the trend. There's a key swing level in the direction of the trend and then price breaks it. A place that has served as a previous support or resistance, price goes there and breaks the support and it continues. So that is a break of structure. Or price look for a support that have been a major support before, it breaks it and continues in the direction of the trend. That is what we refer to as break of structure. Example, in an uptrend, a higher high is broken. That is a break of structure. It confirms continuation upwards. And in a downtrend, a lower low is broken. That confirms a continuation of a downtrend. A break of structure signals that the market is healthy and that the current trend is likely to continue. Now, let's talk about change of character. Change of character indicates a possible trend reversal. What happened in this case is that instead of break of structure, the character changes. It's in an uptrend. Then it changes the character to a downtrend. Instead of buying, it started selling. Or in a downtrend, instead of selling, it starts to buy. So that can be a break of a change of character. Change of character indicates a possible trend reversal. Example is in an uptrend. Price fails to create a higher high and instead breaks the previous higher low. That is a change of character. Potential start of a downtrend. In a downtrend also, price fails to create a lower low and instead breaks the previous lower high. That is a change of character and is a potential start of an uptrend. Change of character is one of the earliest signals that structure is changing. Now, let's talk about how to read market structure in real time. In step 1 is to identify the most recent swing high and swing low. This tells you the current structure. Step number 2 is check if price is making higher high, higher low, lower high or lower low, lower high, higher high, higher low, lower low or lower high. This clarifies the trend type. Then number 3, watch the breaks of previous highs or previous lows. This indicates continuation or reversal. Step number 4, confirm structure using multiple time frames. For example, higher time frame equals to trend direction. Lower time frame equals to entry signal. Step number 5, avoid trading when structure is unclear. If highs and lows are messy, the market may be consolidating. Number 7, why understanding market structure is essential. It helps you trade with the trend. Traders who trade against structure often lose money. Number 2, it removes confusion and emotional trading. Structure gives clarity and discipline. Number 3 is that it helps identify the best entry point. Higher lows and lower highs often offer low-risk opportunities. Number 4, it forms the basis of price action strategies. Break and retest, liquidity sweeps, supply and demand all depend on structure. Number 5, it helps you avoid false signals. Market structure prevents traders from reacting blindly to candles or news. As a conclusion, learning to read market structure is a foundational skill for every successful trader. By mastering highs, lows, and trends, you gain the ability to interpret market direction, anticipate future price movements, and choose high probability trade setups based on logic rather than emotion. Whether you trade forex, crypto, indices, or stocks, market structure remains the same, and understanding it is the key to consistent profitability. So, my name is Dr. Lumioladetitun, and I'm your host on this YouTube channel called Dr. Lumioladetitun YouTube channel. I want you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share link of this video for family and friends, and keep coming back to this channel for more content like this. Until I come your way in the next one, this video popping up by the side from my channel is the next one I want you to watch. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.